So why Prairie Sun Solar? We started the solar company in 2018, starting in Regina, Saskatchewan. We just kind of seen an open opportunity in that prior to being in solar, I was in roofing, and we've seen a lot of installs going on roofs that weren't done properly. And me being a Red Seal journeyman roofer, just knew it wasn't right. So we seen that as an opportunity to start doing things the way they should be done, using proper flashings on systems. And we've just really built a good team, from our journeyman electricians to an outstanding, sales team that just takes care and really engages with our clients. We have a full process. So what we really like to do is just provide education around how solar works, what the cost is, what the maintenance is. And we just have a full process where we take care of you, from our initial quote process, from talking to you, to giving you the information you need, to handing you off to our operations manager. We have a really good team that's going to come on site. They're going to do an installation. They're going to do a great job of the installation. They're going to communicate with you throughout it, where you want the inverter to be, where you want material to be. They're going to be super respectful within your house. After we've installed everything, we're going to have a final inspection done. We're going to walk you through all the paperwork that's necessary. We also have a service and monitoring platform. So not only are you going to be able to see how your system's doing the whole time, we're also going to be able to monitor it too, which is going to give you that peace of mind. And the nice thing is, you can always call us. You can always text us. We're always available. Being a local SaaS company and SaaS people, we just find that we're all bred a little different, I kind of say, because we're just here to take care of each other. If I see you in a grocery store, I'm going to come shake your hand. I'm going to ask you how things are going. We're not like other places where avoid clients. We actually really like the people we work with and want to help people out.